this class on how to make room freshener. So if you've gotten your starter pack, you'll find some of these items in your pack. What you will have is a nose mask, you have hand glove, and then this one in this container here marks E is called ethanol. Ethanol is a kind of alcohol. It's one of the safest kind of alcohol that you will find. I don't use any other kind of alcohol except ethanol. So please, after this training and you want to buy your own ingredients, please insist on buying ethanol. So this bottle that I'm holding here is exactly 100 ml. So the recipe that I've packed for you will make exactly 100 ml of air freshener. If you want to make larger quantities, all you have to do is to increase the ingredients. You can just multiply. The ethanol content here is 50 ml. Another ingredient that you would need is the fragrance. The fragrance that I've pre-mixed for you is tangerine and vanilla. That's why it's vanilla is sweet and soft, then tangerine is sweet but a little stronger. So it's always going to combine two or more fragrances, but don't combine two strong fragrances to make room spray. You can use tangerine and vanilla, orange and strawberry, but do not combine strong fragrances like orange and lemon. They are quite strong, or orange and lemongrass. So it's always advisable, go for something sweet and soft, combine it with something sweet and stronger. The combination always comes out better than having too strong fragrances and they become too strong for people who are sensitive. The key ingredient you would need is this one that is inside this small container. This is called polysorbate. Polysorbate is an emulsifier. Basically, the job of polysorbate is to combine water and oil together, because normally water and oil do not gel. So for this particular one, and we're trying to make a room spray that is transparent. So the polysorbate in here is called polysorbate 20. So if you ever go to the market to buy these ingredients, please insist on polysorbate 20. Another street name for polysorbate 20 is catalyst. There are different kinds of polysorbates. There's polysorbate 20 and there's polysorbate 80. Do not buy polysorbate 80 because polysorbate 80 will not give you a transparent product. What you will have is a whitish, milky and cloudy finish. You don't want that. So just keep in mind, this is polysorbate 20 and the measurement is very simple. It's half teaspoon. So half teaspoon of polysorbate 20 and 1 teaspoon of fragrance. Then I have color here. This is just your regular powder color. It's good to work with powder colors because powder colors are water soluble, meaning you don't need oil to mix it. You can just pour it directly into water and you're good to go. Now, because I have 50 ml of ethanol here, it's also good for you to have 50 ml of water because you will need to dilute some or all of the color in water before adding it to this one. In your starter pack, I've included the hand glove and the mask because it's very important that you're safety conscious. Safety is really important. Like ethanol, now ethanol is it's an alcohol. It's quite strong and you don't want to be inhaling it. So that's the reason why I've put in the nose mask. So please wear your nose mask before you start preparing this solution, and always wear a hand glove. And then ethanol, just like all kinds of alcohol or spirit, they tend to evaporate. So for as long as you're not mixing your solution, do not leave this ethanol exposed. If you leave it exposed, it will evaporate, and once it evaporates, you will have nothing left to make your to teach you how to make the room spray. Remember, we're making 100 ml of room spray. We have, for the recipe, we have 50 ml ethanol, 50 ml water, 1 teaspoon of fragrance. Fragrance we're using is tangerine and vanilla. We have half teaspoon of polysorbate 20 or catalyst. What I have here is also half teaspoon of color. It's pink and this color is quite strong. You may actually not need everything, but if you want to use everything, you can go ahead and use it. So the first thing you do is to wear your nose mask. So let me just take you down briefly to talk. So I'll just cover my nose slightly so that what you hear is not just muffled. So first thing you do is to open your oil and open the polysorbate 20 and pour them together. Over the oil, then you shake it. If you're using a much larger recipe, like you want to make larger quantity, you will most likely have to use a bigger container and you have to get a spatula. So you pour the water gently. You can see it's changing color. It's quite interesting. It's like chemistry. So for now, it is white. Doesn't matter the color, just shake it. So this is taken care of. The next thing you do is to pour color into your water. Okay, so that's done. You open the ethanol. The first thing you pour is the oil mixed with polysorbate and water. You can see it's still transparent because we use the right amount of ethanol. When you're done, fill up the remaining with water. Perfect. And then you shake. And this is how you make room spray.